Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this popcorn machine, this popcorn maker that I think it could be a really good addition for your house because it's not super big. It's not one of those like super bulky ones. This is almost 18 inches tall, but also it's not one of those like super small ones. So this one's going to give you up to 16 to 20 cups in about 20 minutes. So that's actually quite good in case that you're probably like, I don't know, hosting a party or friends and family, or just want to have a really nice snack for watching films or your favorite TV show. And this one comes equipped with a tons of things. We're going to make some popcorn in a few seconds. Instructions all here. You're not going to need it. This is super easy. You can see it comes with a magnet right here on the door, and also a latch right here for kind of like scoop in the popcorn. So you have this too. This is going to be the one that you're going to follow for the 2 tablespoons for the actual oil, the vegetable oil. And we're not going to put too much of it. We're going to put some, and then you have one more for the corn and one more right here for scooping it in. It also comes with, let me show you, the place right here that you can remove for the waste. So that's actually pretty convenient. It also comes with the handle right here, so you can actually remove it super easily. And of course, this is the one that you're gonna use for when the popcorn is ready. So just like this, you're gonna see that comes right here, super nice and easy. So now that we have it in here, let's actually turn it on and put some of the corn and oil and make some popcorn. So you can add the oil inside here if you want, but I do like to do it this way because I can actually manage to put a little bit more all over the place, so all of them are with a little bit of oil. So that's everything I need. Now we're gonna pop it inside. When it's inside already, we're gonna close this one. We're gonna also close this one. It is plugged in already. That's one of the complaints I have. The power cable is super short. I know that this is probably meant to be put in the countertop, like in the kitchen countertop, but the power cable is super short. And this right here, you're gonna find the on and off button. I'm gonna turn it on right now. So now it's on, and you can see that old school vintage popcorn sign over there. I'm gonna wait for a few minutes. I just opened the door so you can see that this one is almost ready. So I'm gonna close the door back again so you can see, oh, it's almost out. This is so awesome. We're gonna turn it off right now. These are all done. Here's the off button. And this one is off. We're gonna do this right now all together. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. They're still popping, and you can see that we have everything here. Oh my God, still popping. So I'm just gonna wait for just one more second. These are all done. I have some here as well. So, oh my God, one more. So yeah, probably rushed it a little bit. So you can see that I can just scoop in all the pop. Oh my God, come on guys. But this is so awesome. Take a look at this. Take a look at how nice this one is. Actually, let me try one right now. And oh, it's super nice and crunchy. You can put some salt, you can put some syrup, you can put some sugar and make whatever you want to do. This is awesome. I really like this one. Perfect addition for your kitchen. I'm going to give it 110% thumbs up, recommended.